Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2R and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And then, once you see the home screen, you can press the upper button to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called the other. And once you find it, tap on it, then find the option called the system settings and select it. And here finally find the language option, and once you find it, tap on it. And here you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. And the language should be applied after a second or two. And of course, once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face if you want to. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.